If I'm giving you the cold shoulder, that's closure. Needed someone to hold. But we both had our own motives. Never told him that mine was to stay alone. And you don't belong to me, so you don't have to let me go. Doesn't always have to be something more. I'll be on my way. I'll be on my way. I'm no good if I stay. So
just had Max. Well, we just had our carpet clean. Guys, welcome to the channel. I don't know why my microphone is not working, but happy new year. This is gonna be our first time thrifting in the new year's together. I'm not looking for nothing. I know a lot of people declutter their house around this time, and a lot of good things are in the thrift store. And y'all, I just need to get out of the house because I've been decluttering for about 2 weeks now, and I just really honestly need to get out of the house. So I said, let me go thrifting. So that's what we're doing now. So we're about to go thrifting. I'm gonna take you guys along the way. So let's do it. Hopefully my microphone gets a lot of furniture up in here. A lot of furniture. I don't need no furniture. Oh, that's like a puppet show. Oh my God, I've always wanted one of these. These are so cute. I'm not gonna get it. Frames. Ooh. How much they want for this frame? $1.99. I think I'm gonna get this frame. This frame is cool. I love this frame though. So grand. Never go wrong with gold frames like this. See how much they should only want $1 for it. Yeah, $2 for this. That's crazy that these two are the same. And look how big that one is. I think I'm gonna get both of these. You guys know I have a whole frame. Oh, they have containers. I wonder how much they want for these. They want $1.99 for these. Okay, y'all, let me think. Can I do something with these? I'm pretty sure I can. Okay, I'm gonna get these two. Let me get me a card. Okay, let's see how much they want for these. This is perfect for organization. Hold on, y'all. Let me get a card. I'll be back. So far we got 2 frames and some organization things. Gotta see how much they want for those other containers. Look at this mug. That's cute. Okay, let's see. This would be really cute. That's how I'm doing my living room over. So this would be cute. Put a candle in there. That would be cute. These are cute. Like the bowls. I was thinking I could put these on my TV stand, but I don't think. I mean, they would be cute, but I'm gonna pass on these. I'm home from the thrift store. Let me show y'all what I got. These organization bins are gonna come in handy, especially during the new year as I'm decluttering everything. I only paid three of these for $1.99. Three of these, y'all, for $1.99. And then I got three of the big ones for $1.99. Y'all, these are probably about $4 at Home Goods. I'm about to spray these down and find out how I can organize. And then I got those 2 gold frames. Let me show you. Frames somewhere on my, over here. I don't know yet. Perfect thrift trip. Happy New Year! I hope you guys have enjoyed this decluttering and organizing with me. I'm not gonna say fun, but it was good to clean out and start new. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comment section and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.